Hello guys, welcome back to my channel at Marable and Art and Craft. So today I am back with my new video. So today in my new video I am gonna show you how to decorate diyas and how to paint them with easy methods at home. So let's start with the procedure. But before starting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit the bell icon placed in the corner for getting more and more notifications about my upcoming videos. So let's start with the procedure without any delay. So for painting the first type of diya, I am taking here a medium sized diya, one paintbrush and one green acrylic paint, or you can also use here the poster colors. Now just paint the inner part of the diya. Now diya is painted all over and it is dried also quick. And after that, now take here one glitter foam sheet of blue color and we're gonna make here a peacock diya. So just draw here a peacock face and just using scissor cut it. Now I have cutted this peacock face. Now just using hot glue gun secure it to here like this. Now create some small pieces like this and just stick on the boundary of a diya like this, leaving some little gaps. Follow on all of the boundary. Now the sticking part is done and I have stick diya on the opposite side of this. And now after that, take here yellow one acrylic paint and just using paintbrush draw one circle inside this. Now I am just sticking some crystals on the boundary again to decorate this. So the first type of peacock diya is ready and I have sticked one pearl inside the diya. So let's start with the second one. Now to color the second one, I have taken here a small diya and I have painted this with the yellowish color, this one. And now to make some patterns, I am using here orange color. So using paintbrush, I am gonna make here some flowers. Just make some more petals inside the diya. Now again color the boundary with the orange one only. Like this. And I have stick one inside pearl and now just the second one diya is also ready. See, like this. Now painting the third diya, I am taking here blue one acrylic paint and just I am coloring again inside the diya. And I prefer you that you use here only acrylic paint, as acrylic paint dry in a minutes. Just you color hole the diya. Now just color this diya and I have made here one circle using orange one acrylic paint. Now take here one red color acrylic paint and just make some pattern like this over circle like this. Now take here a wet glitter and just mark the outlining on the diya on its boundary. I hope you all guys like this one, third one. Three type of diyas are ready. So I hope you all guys like the video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I have prepared some more diyas and that you will be coming to see in the cast photo or in the thumbnail. So thank you. I hope you all guys like the video. Happy and a safe Diwali. Thank you.